Oh, that's beautiful. Next question, very important one. One of the categories you've mentioned, an insane person is exempted. Why is this?
The insane person is exempted because the same hadith which I quoted earlier, our beloved Prophet Muhammad said, it's mentioned in the Hadith of Tirmidhi, Hadith number 1423, that the pen is lifted from 3 categories of people. A child till he reaches puberty, a person who's sleeping till he wakes up, and a person who's insane till he becomes a sound mind. So this the Prophet has exempted, and they are free from fasting. The reason is because one of the criteria for the fasting to be accepted is Neeya, is intention. And intention can only be made by a person who's sane, who's sound in mind. Only if he's sound can he willingly intend to fast. If he's insane, he cannot. So that's the reason, if an insane person, whether he fasts or not, it doesn't make a difference at all. It is, he's exempted. And once he becomes sane, he does not have to compensate also for the fast as well, because he's not responsible for that. He's not held responsible. So that's the beauty of Islam. They only held responsible those people who should be held responsible.
Only those people who have got the responsibility to make the intention knowingly.
That's right.
Okay.